This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can format an SD card on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Here find and enter the storage category. Next, select the SD card of yours here. So by default, it will be set to show the internal storage information, so switch it to the whatever SIM card, or excuse me, whatever memory card you have. Here, tap at this three vertical dots, then format. And to finish or finalize this section, just tap at the Format SD card option here, and all data and files will be erased from it. It will wipe itself clean. I will not finish this process since I have some certain things that I need to, I do not need to delete or erase, but, well, for demonstrative purposes, it will do. Anyway, thanks a lot, and bye-bye.